Welcome back to my channel.
Go play in traffic.
Go play in traffic.
Okay, what's the secret?
Okay, what's the secret?
He is often wild.
He is often wild.
She raised her hand.
She raised her hand.
We were all ears.
We were all ears.
He runs very fast.
He runs very fast.
Others share Tom's optimism.
Others share Tom's optimism.
Tom isn't really Canadian.
Tom isn't really Canadian.
I have 3 brothers.
I have 3 brothers.
Why are you going?
Why are you going?
Parents love their children.
Parents love their children.
I bought it yesterday.
I bought it yesterday.
He is getting better.
He is getting better.
Before autumn came summer.
Before autumn came summer.
Beautiful, don't you think?
Beautiful, don't you think?
Naples gathers many tourists.
Naples gathers many tourists.
Don't hold back anything.
Don't hold back anything.
I've been watching Tom.
I've been watching Tom.
Baby animals are cute.
Baby animals are cute.
Take whatever you need.
Take whatever you need.
We dig each other.
We dig each other.
That's not a doctor.
That's not a doctor.
He studied military history.
He studied military history.
Forget it.
Forget it.
I will do it.
I will do it.
It's outside my expertise.
It's outside my expertise.
I lived in Kuenji.
I lived in Kuenji.
This computer doesn't work.
This computer doesn't work.
He didn't understand me.
He didn't understand me.
She has good handwriting.
She has good handwriting.
You shouldn't prejudge people.
You shouldn't prejudge people.
Tom grew more agitated.
Tom grew more agitated.
I think they're wrong.
I think they're wrong.
Can I do that?
Can I do that?
May I use this?
May I use this?
Tom flew to Boston.
Tom flew to Boston.
I received my bonus.
I received my bonus.
I had 2 dogs.
I had 2 dogs.
Life is at risk.
Life is at risk.
I'm not even Canadian.
I'm not even Canadian.
You are to blame.
You are to blame.
What an irrelevant question.
What an irrelevant question.
He returned from Canada.
He returned from Canada.
Study the student more.
Study the student more.
Their son grew bigger.
Their son grew bigger.
How was the beach?
How was the beach?
Inflation should be checked.
Inflation should be checked.
Whatever do you mean?
Whatever do you mean?
I found the keys.
I found the keys.
He confessed the fact.
He confessed the fact.
This stuff is dynamite.
This stuff is dynamite.
It's the logical choice.
It's the logical choice.
A small community emerged.
A small community emerged.
Time is so beautiful.
Time is so beautiful.
Where are the apples?
Where are the apples?
Is Tom still awake?
Is Tom still awake?
Why does makeup expire?
Why does makeup expire?
Let's hold that thought.
Let's hold that thought.
Should I wait?
Should I wait?
I figured you'd understand.
I figured you'd understand.
These trousers need pressing.
These trousers need pressing.
This could take weeks.
This could take weeks.
Liberland is a micronation.
Liberland is a micronation.
I'm sitting right here.
I'm sitting right here.
This food is unhealthy.
This food is unhealthy.
That's the main gate.
That's the main gate.
His biceps are huge.
His biceps are huge.
They're not a threat.
They're not a threat.
Let's schedule a meeting.
Let's schedule a meeting.
Tom dialed Mary's number.
Tom dialed Mary's number.
Who's here with you?
Who's here with you?
We'll topple this dictatorship.
We'll topple this dictatorship.
The mall is deserted.
The mall is deserted.
I like to swim.
I like to swim.
I'm not getting married.
I'm not getting married.
Write me sometime, okay?
Write me sometime, okay?
Did you tell her?
Did you tell her?
How much do I owe you?
How much do I owe you?
He's among the also-rans.
He's among the also-rans.
Everyone is watching now.
Everyone is watching now.
Don't be so disgusting.
Don't be so disgusting.
Things happened very quickly.
Things happened very quickly.
Who wants more coffee?
Who wants more coffee?
We're just joking around.
We're just joking around.
That's not our fault.
That's not our fault.
Tom obviously has doubts.
Tom obviously has doubts.
We'll be well paid.
We'll be well paid.
Tom was home alone.
Tom was home alone.
His proposal was worthless.
His proposal was worthless.
Tom doesn't understand Mary.
Tom doesn't understand Mary.
Can we trust him?
Can we trust him?
It was very painful.
It was very painful.
My daughter was cheated.
My daughter was cheated.
I wasn't expecting visitors.
I wasn't expecting visitors.
This car won't start.
This car won't start.
There were 2 abstentions.
There were 2 abstentions.
We're not yet through.
We're not yet through.
I'll never forgive him.
I'll never forgive him.
What is she about?
What is she about?
We clean ourselves there.
We clean ourselves there.
She has something different.
She has something different.
They've been here before.
They've been here before.
You arrived on time.
You arrived on time.
Nothing would persuade him.
Nothing would persuade him.
I need your assistance.
I need your assistance.
They all speak French.
They all speak French.
I have a gun.
I have a gun.
Do you want to play?
Do you want to play?
Everybody knows about that.
Everybody knows about that.
Who allowed her in?
Who allowed her in?
I like fresh air.
I like fresh air.
I could scarcely breathe.
I could scarcely breathe.
How is the smell?
How is the smell?
Who believes in God?
Who believes in God?
I'm often half asleep.
I'm often half asleep.
She screamed and fainted.
She screamed and fainted.
Alan is a poet.
Alan is a poet.
That was pretty awesome.
That was pretty awesome.
Tom is preparing supper.
Tom is preparing supper.
Tom's a fine-looking boy.
Tom's a fine-looking boy.
It was not unexpected.
It was not unexpected.
They took the subway.
They took the subway.
Watch out for purse snatchers.
Watch out for purse snatchers.
Animals follow their instincts.
Animals follow their instincts.
My mouth is dry.
My mouth is dry.
He's just kidding you.
He's just kidding you.
Tom is Mary's nephew.
Tom is Mary's nephew.
The salt ran out.
The salt ran out.
I'll ride with her.
I'll ride with her.
Tom hasn't yet succeeded.
Tom hasn't yet succeeded.
The dream goes on.
The dream goes on.
Show it to us.
Show it to us.
How's it look now?
How's it look now?
Who wrote to Tom?
Who wrote to Tom?
Tom needs some time.
Tom needs some time.
Don't ask any questions.
Don't ask any questions.
She shuddered with cold.
She shuddered with cold.
Try to be polite.
Try to be polite.
He doesn't mix well.
He doesn't mix well.
Here is your reward.
Here is your reward.
We finished the work.
We finished the work.
She is my friend.
She is my friend.
The house was big.
The house was big.
He is doing physics.
He is doing physics.
We haven't decided anything.
We haven't decided anything.
Do you speak Latin?
Do you speak Latin?
All right, see you then.
All right, see you then.
They helped each other.
They helped each other.
Unfortunately, that didn't happen.
Unfortunately, that didn't happen.
I'll get dinner started.
I'll get dinner started.
The door closes automatically.
The door closes automatically.
Where is your cap?
Where is your cap?
What's happening right now?
What's happening right now?
Everybody loves Tom, right?
Everybody loves Tom, right?
He hates his neighbor.
He hates his neighbor.
How about a song?
How about a song?
Tom's birthday's coming up.
Tom's birthday's coming up.
She watched him dance.
She watched him dance.
Hi, are you Tom?
Hi, are you Tom?
Stupidity is no excuse.
Stupidity is no excuse.
Tom shot a deer.
Tom shot a deer.
Tom touched my hand.
Tom touched my hand.
Okay, Tom, that's enough.
Okay, Tom, that's enough.
You can't go out.
You can't go out.
We all have arrived.
We all have arrived.
He drank a beer.
He drank a beer.
No one deserves that.
No one deserves that.
There are no witnesses.
There are no witnesses.
We haven't found him.
We haven't found him.
I'll beat you up.
I'll beat you up.
I just need time.
I just need time.
Can I come inside?
Can I come inside?
Should I include her?
Should I include her?
I failed the tests.
I failed the tests.
Should it rain now?
Should it rain now?
I need to leave.
I need to leave.
It's a complicated matter.
It's a complicated matter.
This bread is delicious.
This bread is delicious.
Mary's hubby is chubby.
Mary's hubby is chubby.
This seems too easy.
This seems too easy.
Is it Tuesday already?
Is it Tuesday already?
We encourage your participation.
We encourage your participation.
That's weird, isn't it?
That's weird, isn't it?
What's really bothering her?
What's really bothering her?
See you next class.
See you next class.
I don't like pork.
I don't like pork.
I know it's hard.
I know it's hard.
I was thoroughly confused.
I was thoroughly confused.
What are you implying?
What are you implying?
I want what's mine.
I want what's mine.
Steel traps are illegal.
Steel traps are illegal.
What is his age?
What is his age?
Tom rarely speaks French.
Tom rarely speaks French.
Tom is being reasonable.
Tom is being reasonable.
What will you wear?
What will you wear?
I'm not tired yet.
I'm not tired yet.
He comes from Genoa.
He comes from Genoa.
Don't make her angry.
Don't make her angry.
Tom tripped on something.
Tom tripped on something.
It was nothing serious.
It was nothing serious.
What is this letter?
What is this letter?